Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Little, and I am here to show the newest kit from Elizabeth Crafts Designs because I absolutely love it. And I purchased mine from To Boldly Go on Etsy. It'll probably show up on scrapbook.com at some point, but that's where I purchased mine on pre-order because, you know, I couldn't wait once I saw it. So they sent, but the Boldly Go sent these little 6x6 pieces of paper, probably as a thank you gift because this was not with the kit. So these little pieces of paper, which is cool because then you can go use them for something. So we shall see. And then here's the kit, and once you see it, you know why I had to get it. It is the Retrobus special kit. Look at that. So I am a child of the 70s, even though I was born in the 70s, but you know, when you're a little kid, you don't really understand. Your time period of birth is not until you're like 10 years old that you really get it. But I love a VW bus and I love a VW bug. And I kid you not, if I could have one now, I'd be rolling around in a VW bug. The old type, not the new ones. And I would really like to have a VW bus. It would be so awesome to take one of these and have one where you could drive it around, but also have one as a she shed. Yes. So look at that. So there's the inspiration page. And they put it in this plastic bag. Not sure why, but because usually they fit it into the other bag. But that's how it came. And then it came with this set of stamps. So happy mind, happy life. This is so true. And this little kind of, what does this say? Oh, date and place. So date, place, and weather, which would be cool to put on your just planner in general. And then you've got all these things. And then it's got another bus. The only thing is there's no dies for this. So I wish they had included like one die for to cut out the little bus. And hit an Explorer stamp. So cute. Now, as for the actual, now you always get, because it's like a mini album, they include some rings. So there's 3 rings. And then look. Is that not so awesome? It's awesome. So you've got like the whole little, you've got the layers of the bus. Okay. And then you've got like the luggage rack, and you can see here where you can make it the mini album. I guess these are some little decorations and so forth because you got your little flowers. There's some sunglasses. You got some rain boots, the little peace sign. What is this? Is this the bumper? This might be the bumper. So it's like a little suitcase, or it could be a grill if you put it sideways. Maybe that's what it is. These look like little drinks. I'm thinking these are the windshield wipers. I'm not sure. I have to look at the other thing. And then it says, what's it say here? Road trip. And then on the back, so yes, it is a double set. You get the top part. There's another frame for the windows. There's some luggage here. And I'm wondering if this is, I think this is the background for the luggage. So it says love and peace, or peace and love. Adventure. This is another part of the bus. Some hippy dippy flowers. I don't know what that is. What is that? Oh, maybe that goes on the guitar. You got this little fun guitar. That'd be cute for my sister. And look, you've got these like wheels for hole reinforcers. Now I'm checking my other ones to see if these are the same, because that would be terrible. They usually try to make them so they're different, but I seem to remember seeing similar ones. So, oh yeah, they are the same. Oh no, they're just a little bit different. So these have circles. You can see the little bit of difference. These are circles, and these have like trapezoid pieces. Oh. It would have been so nice if they had actually done those differently. Like, make these more like wheel spokes. Which I'm pretty sure that's probably what that's supposed to be. but it's really close to this one. Oh, oh well. It is what it is, I suppose, y'all. Not that it's bad, it's just like, so that's so cute. It would have been cool to have the peace signs as that. How awesome would that be? So there is the package that I got, and then I will be back with a project. So here we go. I'm going to show you basically the pieces that I cut out. So here's the base that creates the page. There's the overlay that creates the front part of the bus. I cut 2 of those, one for the front and one for the back. Look at those windows. Now I wanted the wheels in the front to be black, so I cut those off. And then you can see all the pieces on the side. So when I put this down, you will be able to see the wheels at the bottom. So then the next piece is that quintessential piece that makes it look like a VW bus. Then here's the piece here that does the tires, the windshield wipers, as well as the side mirrors. So I cut all those out of black, and I'm going to glue those down. And this time I am using some Crafter's Companion tacky glue because I ran out of my other glue. So we are using this. It's really watery, so it's supposed to be okay for paper, but it is a little liquidy. So now I'm going to go ahead and put these put this face on here. And I'm just using papers that I had in my stash. So I guess technically this video could be part of my stash dive. Because all these are old papers. New dye, but old papers. You guys, I would so love to have a VW bus. It would be so cool. So now I'm taking these little teeny tiny windshield wipers and putting them on. You could also, because of the way they look, you could also use them as pins. So if you were doing a sewing theme project and you didn't have any pins, you could use these as that. I'm going to go ahead and put the frame on. And since I have gold in the paper, I just decided to use gold trimmings, even though you wouldn't necessarily have that on your truck. So you can see that Carlisle tacky glue bottle a little bit better. Now I'm going to have glue on the back. As you can see, I used some Christmas paper from my stash for the centerpiece. And so once I put this back piece on, I should have actually used black for the wheels again, but I didn't think about it. So when you put this on there, it actually looks like somebody's in the bus. And I was going to cut that center bar out of the window so it would look different than the front. Then I just said, forget it, and we'll just make it look the same. And I'm using my Cricut tweezers. I think they're Cricuts. They're reverse tweezers, which are pretty cool. Now I'm gluing on the extra side mirrors from the back side so that it'll be a little sturdier. Because otherwise they're really flimsy. And I would probably go back and make a little silver one and put it on the front, but I didn't. But since it's blue, it's okay. There's the bumper, and I'm going to put that on. And it's so funny, I use my tweezers trying to hold stuff and not get my hands all gluey. It didn't work. My hands are still all gluey. I mean, the tweezers work well. Now, they had this piece that you could change the color top of the VW Bug, but then once I put it on, I didn't like it with the gold, so I just left it off. There's the peace sign, and I wanted to double it up, so I put 2 of those together. I really need to get out my Xyron or something and start using it for these little delicate pieces. But then it just feels like so much glue just goes to waste. And at first I thought this was a grill, but it's actually a suitcase. But if you cut off the handle, you could use it as a grill, barbecue grill. Now they have this backing plate and then the luggage plate. So I cut it out of that paper and then I cut the backing sheet out of the other side. But what you could really do is cut it several times in different colors and then you could piece the pieces back in. That would be cool too. I like that they just gave you a backing plate so you didn't have to worry about it. All right, so this piece here has circles and flowers, and they are for, the flowers can be for anything, but the circles are using for headlights. Oh God, excuse me. I don't feel so good. I'm all right, but I'm using for headlights and taillights. And then they have a smaller circle that would be for like your blinkers, but I didn't put those on. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Now, you can make a pocket, you can make a page, you can make a little mini book out of it. So, it would be so adorable. It would be cute, like in a scrapbook page, just cut off the little piece that makes it part of the journal. And so now I'm using red glitter foam. It was the only piece of red I could find at the time. And I'm like, what? So I had some red glitter foam, so I put it on there for the tail lights. This is the luggage rack, which is funny because I thought the luggage rack was the bumper. And then I'm like, well, nope, this is the luggage rack. Then I wanted to get both pieces of luggage in the top of the bus. Now, because I didn't think about it, I should have actually done another piece on the back. Because when you look at it from the back side, once I get it done, you can see the white. And so I should have made it a double-sided design. But I didn't. Too late now. It's so cute. See how you can see where it's white. But oh well. It's still cute as a bug. Get it? Cute as a bug. And I had considered putting another bumper on the back. But I didn't do that either. Thanks for watching. I hope you like. Bye.